What's up, guys? We're back for an Autotune session number 2. So this is what the Autotune screen looks like on the PowerVision. As you can see, there's nothing filled in. So we're gonna ride, and then we're gonna come back and check and see what we've looked at. Well, the weather has changed drastically here in North Carolina. I got no jacket on. It's like 70 degrees outside. I'm gonna ride for probably like 20-30 minutes. See what kind of cells we can hit today. I was told that you want to ride in different weather scenarios too, to Autotune. I think I'm gonna have to go through 3 full tanks of gas in order to get a solid tune on the bike. But I'm gonna do this a few times, and then when I get to the 500 mile mark, I'm gonna do it one more time, get a good solid tune on there, get it running at its best. Not really sure where I'm going. I'm just gonna ride. I'll go this way. It's cool. We're gonna ride on some back roads. Maybe cross over into South Carolina and just see where it goes. Well, I got my bike back in September, so it was like just starting to be fall and cooler out. So this was really the first time that I'm going to be riding the bike in some like warm weather. And I already know it's going to get hot. It's going to get hot. It's gonna get hot. It's gonna get hot. And that's one of my least favorite parts, is sitting in traffic on the bike and not moving. So as long as we keep moving, I'll be alright. We are officially now in South Carolina. I could take my helmet off and ride without a helmet if I wanted to. There's no helmet laws here, but I probably don't want to do that since my GoPro is attached to my helmet. Duh. We're hitting a lot of cells today. It looks a lot different than the first time I did it. So what do you guys think about this coronavirus? People are going crazy. Toilet paper, stocking up on all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna turn around here just cause. Okay. World is in a panic right now. I mean, I don't know what to think about it, honestly. It's just I guess you can recover, but like if you're an old person, then it's going to be way more detrimental to your health than it is a young person. So all I know is I can't catch the coronavirus when I'm riding my bike. It's either a very serious situation or it's not, and they're just hyping it up. Getting people to go out and buy toilet paper and water and all kinds of stuff that they don't need to boost the economy, even though the economy is kind of crashing right now. And we're back in North Carolina. like that. Engine temperature 396. Jeez, that's pretty hot. Yeah, that's pretty hot. I guess that's okay. Just realized I don't have my glasses on. Jeez. Guess my vision's not that bad. But still. Ooh, can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, I made it. We're gonna jump on the highway for one exit here, and then I'm gonna loop back around. Get off the bike. Wow, 405 degrees. Oh boy. Here we go. Little highway riding. That is another Autotune session for the books.